So you are tired of watching all those videos about the niches, and you tried every single thing you can think of but still end up getting 0 views. So don't worry, I found a niche that will eventually help you grow really fast. So you must have watched a lot of video where they say get a sport niche and make a short out of an incredible movement in the sport. Sounds great, right? Then you get hyped up and work day and night to produce a short that you think is the key of your success. And you upload it, then boom, 0 views. So don't worry, what I am going to teach you today is you can work on any niches you want, but you were doing the things wrong. If you do the things I say, then you are going to success in your niches. Let's imagine this, you made a short in sport niche, and that short is really incredible movement of Ronaldo's bicycle kick, but it still gets 0 views? Why? Let me give you an example. You really like this movie named The Nun. Yeah, what's so great about it? Imagine watching the movie 10 times, 20 times. Would you still like it? I mean, you will like it, but you will swipe it away and watch another movie instead. So what I mean is, if you show one old event in your short, people have already watched it 1,000 times. They aren't going to stop for your short and like it. You need to outdate everyone if you want to make your short viral. So let's dive into how we can make fresh content and make our short go really viral. So let's take 2 niches, for example. 1 sports, 2nd podcast. As I mentioned before, you need a really fresh content. Here is a trick to get fresh content. Go to YouTube, type in a keyword, for example, let me type in basketball. Go to filter and filter out most viewed and posted 1 month ago. Then you get bunch of content here. Which one should I pick? Pick the one which video has more views and the channel posting that video has less subscriber. After you find that one video, go through the video and find out one interesting clip and edit it. Or if you are too lazy for that, use AI tool like Opus Clip where you just need to paste the video link. And for the podcast niches, people really like edited podcast. It doesn't need to have intense edit. Make it simple and clean. If you want to know how to make it simple and clean, watch this video where I have taught how to edit podcast video in really simple and easy way. Comment down below if you reached till the end. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, like the video, and subscribe. And also join my Telegram channel so we can hang out.